Hello everyone, it's Monika here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm coming to you with this vintage rose collection by Crafter's Companion. It's not a full collection, but I'm going to show you what I received and which products they asked me to use for my samples. So the first things what I've noticed in this collection when I opened my parcel was those die cut elements, and I've got 3 packs. So let me show you the first one. The first one is the pretty lace border, and there are 12 pieces. It's a 7-inch long and almost 2-inch wide, and these are really pretty. I already thinking about my project, and because this one is 7-inch long, so I'm already thinking about 5x7 card with those 2 die cuts elements on each side, and in the middle I'm going to use the pattern paper from the collection. Really pretty. And then I really like this beautiful trellis. It's a panel which measures 5.3 inches square, and there are again 12 pieces. So let me show you how it looks like. Again, very beautiful, intricate, and I'm sure you can actually divide this panel into sections and use, for example, in mixed media project, you can use snip into that. You can create a zigzag effect. So it's going to be very easy to cut into that panel. Then the next one is this ornate lace panel. This one, when I looked at it, said 24 pieces, but at the back they show you actually that, and there are 2 designs, and you can use them together or you can use them separately. So this one is again the same size as the panel here. This one measures 5.3 inch square. So I really like this one. I hope you can see it. It's really so beautiful and pretty, and it's not that thin actually. I thought it's going to be very thin, but it's not. So this is something different. I haven't seen anything like this in a Crafter's Companion brand, and this is the other element. So you can see it's really pretty. And yes, so this is the third die cut pack I received. And when I checked what else is in this collection, there are some cutting dies as well, and I didn't receive any cutting dies, so it's going to be paper based completely. And then I've got this multi-sheet topper pad and vellum pad. Both of them are 8x8 as always. So let me go through this vellum pack. On the reverse you've got the designs, so let me show you so you can see, and then just flicking through this vellum pack. Really beautiful. Of course, vintage collection has to have those beautiful elements. And then we've got this multi-sheet topper pad, 160 GSM. At the back you can see all the elements, and I think there are 4 sheets per design. So at the back you've got sheets which you need to cut out. At the front you've got those elements you just push out. So let me show you the front. 1, 2, 3, 4 sheets per design. Then that's the, oh, let me start from the beginning. So that's the first design, that's the second, and then we've got this one with some tickets, of course lots of roses, as the title says, vintage rose. And of course we've got those beautiful elements to cut out, and it would be really nice with that die cut. This one, I think I'm already thinking about what I'm going to make. Again, 4 sheets of this design. Then we've got another design, and then we've got those, of course, sentiments and more beautiful toppers. And then next design has this foil, gold foil, which is really pretty. I love that. And of course you need something sparkly in your projects, and that's the next design. And the next one again has this foil effect. And let me, yes, this one as well, I love this. True friends, thankful for you, sending hugs, I love you. Again, 4 sheets of this one, and this one has this beautiful gold border. You can see that it's so nice and shiny. I love this one as well. And I think that's the last design. Let me double check. Yes, that's the last design. And then I'm going to show you what else. 12 by 12 paper pad, but also I received this pack of card blanks and envelopes. You can see that coming in those colors. I'm just reading what it says. Also in the collection, timeless rose bouquet. Oh yeah. And these are 5 by 7, so these are actually very useful for those that die cut, pre-cut element I showed you at the beginning. So envelopes and card blanks. And then let me show you this paper pad. I actually didn't check if they have 6 by 6, but as I said, I'm going to show you, actually I'm going to link the full collection below the video. So let me show you this way, because these are double-sided paper, so I'm going to show you back and front this way, so you can see. And 1, 2, 3, 3 sheets. Is it 3? Yes. 3 sheets per design, so that's the next one, front and back. I love this green. You can see a lot of postcards. It has this, of course, vintage look. I love those butterflies. These are in the topper pad as well, so you can actually add them as well. You don't have to cut them out. That's another page. Look how beautiful and how interesting those pages looks like. I think this one is my favorite. I love that the flowers are lighter than the background, and that's the reverse of that page. And again, more of that green. I just love green. And we've got the pink and green on the top. Beautiful. Okay, and this one is that's the front. Oh no, that's the next page. That's the front and that's the back of that page. And wow, this one is really so many flowers, really pretty. And the last one is this one, proper, you know, you can see those roses and the vintagey feel, so it's really pretty. So in a minute I'm going to show you all the projects I've done with this part of the collection. As I said, it's not a full collection, but I'm going to link everything below the video. So these are the projects I've done with the collection, and I've done 8 of them, so there is quite a lot of products to show you. This is my favorite. This is a slimline card, and I use that pre-cut element. Let me show you which one. The trellis, and I actually cut that into pieces. Actually, it was left over from one of the cards. Which one? This one, because what I did, I chopped off the corners, and I wanted to create like a diamond shape for this Z-fold card. And I put the top ribbon and of course the papers from the collection. I only added black matte card just to bring that image forward, and I had those 4 corners left, so I thought I would create the slimline card, and I love it because I added the panel, I put a ribbon through, I used the tag from the toppers. I've got the twine and eyelet, and I use those corners to create this beautiful effect. I think this one is my favorite card, And of course I've added the rose on 3D foam pounds and those leaves. So these are the two cards first, and then let me show you others. So this one is 5 by 7 because there are a lot of card blanks in 5 by 7. There is green, light pink, and red. So this is another card. I think it's very nice and simple looking, but it has that something like a wow effect. And this is the hexagonal card, pop-up card, and I used the topper, sentiment, added the bow. Actually I added the gems, and then I thought it's quite plain, so I added the bow as well. So that's another one, another a card using that 5 by 7 card blank, and I I created an easier card. There is this panel, of course, in the topper part, and the sentiment, of course, that's from the topper papers, and that pre-cut element. I think it's so beautiful, and I use exactly the same here on this card. Look at that foil effect, the borders and the toppers. I think you don't need a lot to create beautiful cards. This one is very simple to go into the envelope, so of course I use a little bit of a sticker in gold. I use that panel, some elements from that topper part, and sentiments with butterflies as well. And then I think that's the last one, is this very simple card. I think this one is 5 3/4 square, and I use the other pre-cut element, this one, and I use cutting dies to cut my mat from actually that green base, card base, and I used the topper part, and I found this beautiful image of roses, and I think that yellow bow with the green looks really pretty. So these are my cards made with this beautiful collection. I'm going to link everything below the video, and yes, I hope you like my projects, and thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye for now.